Hello friends, let us see how to make drumstick stir fry or Goan Sangachi Bhaji. Here are the ingredients. Heat a kadai and add oil. After oil gets heated, add onion and saute till onion turns pinkish. Add slit green chilies. Chopped tomatoes. Stir well. Add peeled and chopped drumsticks. Add grated coconut. Turmeric powder, jaggery, salt, water, mix well. Cover and cook till the drumsticks are cooked nicely. After opening the kadai, stir well. Press one drumstick to see if it is cooked. If the drumstick is soft, that means it is cooked. Otherwise, add little water and cook further. Drumstick Subzi or Sangachi Bhaji is ready. Serve with rice or rotis. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.